Mile 1 Heritage Chevrolet Buick. Here's the vehicle for you.
It's more car than electric. The 2012 Chevrolet Volt. Powered by electricity without being tethered to electrical outlets. It's as simple as plugging in the battery. Quiet yet powerful, the electric drive unit provides 150 horsepower and 273 foot-pounds of torque. Efficiency without sacrificing the techie perks. Volt has two LCD screens displaying speed, battery power, and range to recharge or refill. The 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen with XM nav traffic and a rear-view camera system make it easy to always feel in control. Sit back in the heated seats and enjoy the energy-efficient Bose premium speaker system with DVD and MP3 playback. The Volt offers plenty of standard safety features in case of an accident. The available 5-year subscription to OnStar Emergency Services offers help at any time of the day, while the StabiliTrak system keeps you on the road at all times. The 2012 Chevrolet Volt, in the world of electric cars, taking you just a little bit further.
Mile 1 Heritage Chevrolet Buick, conveniently located at 11234 Reisterstown Road in Owings Mills.